Buongiorno, buongiorno.
I love you.
Hello. Hey. Hey. Please open. Marco. Hey. Hi. Yay. Hi everyone. Welcome to another episode of Knock Knock. And today I'm with Marco from Seoul Mafia.
Ciao!
Ciao.
Buongiorno!
Buongiorno, 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 buongiorno. Okay. So yeah, thank you for inviting me by the way, again. Can you introduce about yourself?
Me?
People.
Hi everyone, I'm Marco, I'm from Italy and I have a channel called Seoul Mafia where I introduce Italian and Korean culture to Italian people mostly.
Okay. So let's talk about your house. Oh my god, this is like a real apartment.
Yes, and a very typical Korean apartment actually.
Typical?
New apartment.
A new apartment.
Yeah.
Is it something new?
Yeah, it's very 신축. We call it
Okay.
신축 in Korea.
So can you tour your place?
Okay, so
Yeah.
welcome to my koshia, to my living room here. So, you know I like yellow a lot, right?
I didn't
Look,
know about
look at
that.
this. No! Yeah, okay. I like panokya, corn. 옥수수.
Oh, you know that?
Yeah.
I mean, you like that?
Yeah, corn is like the symbol of my channel. Don't you know that?
And can we talk about this plant? Like,
No.
super big plant.
Yeah,
Wow.
her name's Jessica. So,
Jessica.
Yeah. She has been with me for like a couple of years.
Yeah.
I thought she would be dead
Yeah.
at this time, but she's still alive. I'm really proud.
Yeah,
she's
that's amazing.
She's kind of, yeah, and she's giving me like the kind of you're outside kind of vibe, you know, like
Yeah.
you're inside, but like also you have a plant, you know.
I totally understand. You know, my house is filled with all the plants.
Yeah, but I can barely take care of one, so I feel like one is enough, especially because there are no like in Korean apartment there are not really like terraces, you know, terrace도 없고, and like balconies too are like inside for some reason. I don't know.
Yeah.
In Italy we have like every house they have like balconies, you can go outside
Oh my
and
God.
breathe some fresh air. But here, like that's the only thing I really don't like about it. This house is new,
Yeah.
but I can really like I can hear everything my like 윗집 says.
The noise.
Yeah, and they always fight. Okay, here's another difference. So in Korea, you drink a lot, right? Yes, night drunk, and the wife is like, "Why are you drunk?" And they start like fighting at 2 a.m.
Yeah.
and they're like, you know, like fighting.
Okay, some other things that you want to introduce. Oh my god, like I like everything is so simple and modern. Come here, come here. Oh my god.
Oh, look at this. Actually, if you want,
Yeah.
you can do this.
Oh my god, that is cool. What is that? Whoa!
So you can choose
Oh,
if you want to like stay like here, like very comfortable
like this.
with your feet on the sofa, or you can just like, you know, someone, you know,
Yeah. Okay.
I have to put my feet on my like table here.
This is so annoying. This is so annoying.
No, you're like very lucky.
But you're Italian, so maybe maybe that's why. I don't know.
Is this air pollution in Korea? It's very, very bad. I realized that like sometimes I felt sick and
Yeah.
I never realized it was for the like 미세먼지, for the pollution.
Yeah,
So
the air.
yeah, once I realized that, I bought this really huge hair purifier. I actually have two hair purifier in my house.
Really?
And when the hair is bad, I just like turn on both of them.
It's from Samsung. Oh
Yeah.
my god, not sponsored. Oh my god.
Not sponsored, but I do work with Samsung, so I love you. Okay, there's a kitchen here if you want to come.
Whoa, oh my god, look at you. I heard you are not cooking, but you have your kitchen.
Well, I do cook sometimes. It depends. If I have time, I do cook.
Well, there's a lot of things.
This is the thing I cook the most nowadays.
Tofu noodles?
You know, I'm on a diet. I'm like doing like my things with my PT. Can't you see? Look at my muscles here. Look at
Okay.
Look at this. Yeah. Anyway, so
It seems you like all the characters, right?
I love Harry Potter. I love like cute things, and look, I told you, 옥수수, 반나kia. Those are from my fans. This is all like magnets I got from my fans. All of them.
So cute.
Even this one is handmade from one of my followers. This is from my 18th birthday.
18?
Yeah.
Oh.
13 years ago.
What? Is that you?
Yeah, here.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
What happened to you?
Why?
I mean, you look good right now, so that's what I'm yeah, okay.
Are you saying that I was ugly?
No. I'm just saying that the image is a little different.
Get out!
You are.
Get out of my house! Also, I have 2 coffee machines because, you know, Italians, we love coffee.
Oh, yeah.
So just in case, I have 2. That is Nespresso, and this one
Oh my god,
is...
that's so super luxurious.
I also like cute things, you know, like...
Oh my god, what is it?
This is illy. I can make you protein cappuccino.
Yeah, please.
Do
later.
you want a protein cappuccino? Okay, I'll make you
Yeah.
a cappuccino later. This, I have an oven here.
Wow.
Induction. It's pretty like a house. Well, here's like the 빨래방. I don't know if you like.
Laundry room.
It's really hot. But I have like 세탁기 and 건조기.
Oh my god, you have both of them, like dryer too.
Yeah.
Oh, and there's like big flower.
This is from my boyfriend's.
So where are we going right now?
If you want to see more of my love story, I'll bring you to my studio.
Love story.
Yes. Come here. Come. Welcome to my studio, Gina. Oh.
What happened to this worm?
This is the first gift I gave to my boyfriend, like the very first one. Yeah.
Ah, you gave it to your boyfriend?
Yeah, 6 years ago.
6 years ago, and
Yeah.
he liked it?
I'm not sure, but it's still here. It's big. So,
Oh.
well, this is ugly, but nowadays I'm cycling every day. So I got this from a friend of mine actually.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh.
She gave it to me.
Oh my god, I saw it. I saw it.
What?
Wow, it's all about the love.
It's all about love here. Yeah, here's my family.
Oh.
This is my sister and me.
Is that you?
Yeah.
That's so cute. Oh my god.
This is me when I was young, and
Yeah.
this is my dad, and this is my
Oh.
sister and me.
Wow. And
My boyfriend here.
oh, you must miss him so
I
much.
miss him. He's in China now. But yeah, and this is our trip to Vietnam.
Vietnam. Oh, that's cool.
Here, you know, I'm a huge fan of anime and
Whoa.
clearly Sailor Moon.
Yeah, I know you love Sailor Moon.
Yeah.
And wow.
This is from my boyfriend. Yeah, like he got me a bouquet of Sailor Moon. This is like a gift from a follower, and he made like Gio, my boyfriend, as Sailor Mercury, and me with a hanbok on.
Oh my god, that's so cute. That's so cute. Oh my god. What is this?
This is to rest your, you know,
Like
halmok,
this?
yeah,
Ah, okay. I put my wrist here and then.
on his ass, yeah. Like,
Oh
a
my
fan drew this.
Your friends are just so lovely.
Yeah, they're so lovely and so talented. So
Yeah.
this is from my very first fan meeting, like 5 years ago.
In Italy?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
So I
that's
kept-
so nice.
I kept all the things from, you know, the first fans, you know, they're the most important, like not most important, but you know, the most loyal and stuff. So, you know, so.
I love this room so much.
Are we shooting?
I don't know.
Hopefully not. Oh, this is called a toilet. So is where you pee and you do stuff, you know, and
course
clean
I
yourself.
know.
Oh, okay, sorry. You asked me what is this room? Yeah, welcome.
Wow, look. What's this smell? Oh my god, this scent.
What's this one?
Oh,
I,
wow.
I like smells. Good
Yeah,
smells.
I love it. Okay.
I have this thing. Can you try washing your hands with? Yeah, try this.
Okay.
No, what is this? No.
What?
Oh no. Oh no, wait a second. It's coming.
Hey, where did you get it?
It's supposed to be a flower, okay?
Okay, flower.
It's a flower! Wait,
Okay,
it's coming.
flower.
No, I want to show this, the
No,
flower.
you don't have to do that again. Okay, I see. I got what you mean. Okay.
Please, cameraman, come here. It's really important. Are you ready?
Yep.
Wow!
Oh. So what is it for?
I don't know. Okay. Next, where should we go?
It's up to you. Anywhere.
You want to see my room? Okay, come to my room.
Whoa!
This is my bedroom here.
Wow.
And, you know, it's very simple because, again, I don't know, but I focus a lot on the mattress. So please, can you check my mattress? Go, go, go.
Huh, it's very soft.
Sometimes I really have hard times sleeping. So the fact that I have this like hotel kind of style. Here, I have like different kind of readings I do before I go to sleep.
Oh,
So
smart.
it depends what kind of looking I want. So this is like a fantasy book. This is cute. Yeah, this is a gift from a dear friend of mine. And I don't know, it's just cute. And
Oh, so cute.
when you sleep, it's like very like soft.
Oh, yeah. Oh,
Yeah.
oh.
And it's the dress
Oh
room.
my God.
The dress room. The dress room.
Dress room. Oh, I
Yeah.
love fashion. You know that.
Yeah, I don't. So.
You don't?
He
No,
doesn't.
I know you love fashion. I know that.
Do 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 do.
Wow. So, oh my God, you are so perverted. I mean, it's all by the colors, like
Yeah.
black, and white, and like that.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
You know.
Oh, that's
Look at
cute.
this.
Oh, that's
You
cute.
Care Bear, the Care Bears.
Care Bear. I don't really know about Care Bear.
You don't know Care Bears?
I don't.
Here are my
Yeah.
bags. See, I have like
Oh my
Like-
God,
like-
luxury stuff. Finally,
this
from
is
Italy.
this is Fendi. This is
Fendi,
Louis
oh.
Vuitton. This is Kenzo. Louis Vuitton here.
Louis Vuitton for me. Okay. Can I get this one? Okay,
No.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye.
Yay!
Is it from? I always forget. Is it from Italy?
Hermes? No, France. Never make that mistake with an Italian person.
Oh, I'm sorry. I don't really know about luxury brands.
I do my makeup and skincare here.
I know.
Summer in Korea, it's so hot and humid. So if I use a backpack, after 2 minutes, I have a lake in my back. It's like
Yeah.
it's so I'm so sweaty. So I just use this, and I need a bag to put my computer, you know, and my clothes if I do multiple shootings, and my camera. So I use this a lot. Stop dreaming. Stop
This is
dreaming.
my Louis Vuitton and no. 자 이제 come here. Come here. Come here.
어디.
Come here. And for this time, I'm gonna be try to nice to you. So please sit down.
예? 진짜?
Please sit down. Yeah. Sit down.
What happened?
Okay, there. Stay there. Just sit down. Sit down. Wait for me.
뭐지?
Dun dun dun. This
뭐야?
is for you.
진짜? What is wrong with you? 오, 신난다.
Right? I know your taste. I know your taste.
Oh, yes, you know me so well. Thank you. Socks.
Yeah, I
You-
saw you. Hey,
너무-
this is actually you because you know I saw you wearing like colorful socks.
Mm-hmm.
So I was like, okay, that's your taste.
Yes. Really nice. I really love that. Wow, yeah.
진짜?
Oh,
Right.
let's
Okay.
go shopping together. Lemon. This is yellow.
Yes. Casual.
Oh, and it say happier and happier.
Yeah.
Thank you. This is really nice. And I love yellow. I told you it's my favorite
Yeah,
color.
And you like something happy.
Yeah.
Right? Yellow.
Oh my god, and
Yellow.
yellow. This is so cute.
Right?
Oh my god.
I noticed that you love characters so much. So
Yeah.
another mouse pad.
The mouse pad. So I'm not gonna touch the kid's ass anymore, right?
Yes, right. Cute things for you.
More Tumbler?
Open it.
Oh my god, this is so cute!
Right?
Look, like literally.
Yeah.
Look, this is all the colors I have on my nails.
Yes. I know you, right? I'm such a good friend.
I'm really touched. 잠시만. Oh my god,
That's
this is so cute, and it's really kind of Italian vibes to me.
yeah?
Yeah, in my house we have a lot of glasses like that, which I don't in this house.
Yeah.
So my mom will be really, really happy.
Oh.
Gina? And so many things! What? There's more things? Whoa. That is so cute!
There's avocado. Super cute, right?
This is super cute!
And you know what? This one is handmade.
Oh, really?
Yeah, the person actually made everything and they paint everything by their hands.
Really?
Yeah. It's
Come.
avocado.
I need to go to this shop. This is so cute!
Right?
Thank you. Oh my god.
But I thought you were gonna like it.
Of course, I love it. I love it. This character is really cute.
Right?
This baby avocado. Da 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 da. What is this? Oh my god!
Yeah, handmade.
This is also
too.
handmade. Oh my!
Yeah.
Look at this guy. Is it like a peach?
Oh, let me see.
And matches.
I love your nails so much.
There's more. Oh my god! There's more.
Yep.
And we have, okay, finally, a bag that is like, it's cute, this one too. Oh my god, wait a second. This is a bag. Small things can make our life happy enough. Oh my god, that's like a very thoughtful message, Gina. Thank you. You know what? As I showed you earlier, I only have like big one.
Yeah.
And I don't have like a small one. What is wrong? Why is everything so perfect? Gina!
Because it's me. And then you can make it longer if you think that it's too short.
Milano fashion style.
Milano fashion. That's Korean style though.
Wow, 진짜 everything's so perfect.
You're welcome. You're welcome.
Come here, come here. Thank you, Gina.
You are welcome. You're welcome.
So
You're welcome.
everything's so perfect. I'm shocked. Thank you.
Yay.
Oh, 진짜.
Oh,
Everything's so perfect. I'm so happy.
I'm so happy that you like them.
Oh, 진짜, 진짜.
Oh,
It's not for the camera. It's really, I really like them.
Oh, 진짜? 다행이다.
Okay. Okay.
So, what does your house mean to you?
What?
What does your house mean to you? What is the meaning of your house?
What? This is my first apartment, the first house I live by myself. So actually it has like a really big meaning for me because it's a big achievement.
Yeah, right.
You know, after all the struggles I've been through, you know, I was a trainee like for becoming a K-pop idol, and then I was a back dancer, and I was always like freelancing around. My old sweat, blood, and tears. BTS, we love you. So actually no, this house has a big like meaning for me, and I love it. It's really peaceful. I can work.
This whole house means like your life and your achievements.
Yeah.
Okay, so Marco, how was today? Like you are the first guest
Oh my
of
God.
Knock Knock, and I'm very thankful to you.
Thank you for coming. Thank you for the gifts. They're like amazing. I'm so happy now, honestly. Like I'm really,
yeah.
I am thankful. Like I'm full of cute stuff now. I love cute stuff. Thank you.
So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you did, then please give us thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Yeah. Then have a
Beautiful day. Knock knock. Oh my god. Two. Knock knock.
Knock knock knock. It's knock knock.
Like
What
knock.
is-
Who does this?
No.
With
When
like
you
this?
knock the door, you don't do this like this? No. Oh, it's not. I always do this. Okay.
You're weird.
Okay, guys, comment down below which way is yours. Okay. Knock. 1, 2, 3.
Knock knock. That's like a cat thing. What?
What? You said don't knock. Okay. Yeah. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Knock knock.